Hey y'all, welcome back to yet another one of my creative videos. So let's just hop right into it. First things first, I'm going to lay some of this wax paper down so this wood glue don't get everywhere. All I'm doing is gluing 4 blocks into a square. I did add glue to this side of the block and I wasn't supposed to. My block is actually supposed to look like this, but that's okay because I'll be covering this side anyway. So for these next steps, I'm just gluing 4 blocks together on each side. I completed 2 of the same pieces, so I'm just going to sit these to the side and let these dry for a little while. Now I'm gluing multiple pieces together in that same shape that you all seen in the beginning of the video. Now I'm gluing multiple blocks in a straight line. So I have the 2 big pieces here and then I have 9 squares in total, but I'm only going to use 8 squares, and then I have this long piece here. I'm gluing 2 extra blocks on the very top and bottom sides of the long piece. Now I'm gluing the big pieces at the very top and bottom of the long piece. This is the bottom piece, and now I'm going to glue the 8 squares right along all these lines here. So this is what my piece is looking like, and I brought it outside to be spray painted, and I'm going to go over it with this clear Mod Podge sealer. Now I'm using the flat black spray paint. I'm applying about 2 coats of this spray paint. So this is what my piece is looking like, and I'm going to let this dry for a little while before I add more spray paint. I'm going over the black with the gold because I really wanted the gold to pop, so that's why I used the black as an underbase. I love the coverage. I'm going to let this dry for a few hours, and then I will see y'all in the next clip. It's time to decorate with these disco towels that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I'll be using some of this Fix All adhesive glue to adhere all the towels. Now that all my squares are completed, now it's time to decorate the top and the bottom piece. This is the top piece, and I'll be incorporating the top to this candlelight LED home decor piece that I purchased from Dollar Tree. For those of you wondering how will I switch out the batteries, I'll just simply twist it off and then twist it back on, but I recommend using LED lights with a remote. Now I'm flipping my piece over and this will be the bottom piece, and I'm basically doing the same exact steps, but I will not be gluing the LED light to my blocks. I'm filling the bottom piece with the gems, and then I'm going to clean all my mirror towels off, and then I will be right back to show y'all the final look. This floor lamp turned out absolutely gorgeous. It's very lightweight and also sturdy. I actually love the jumbo wood blocks better than the smaller ones, but comment down below and let me know what y'all think. For this next project, I'll be using 2 of these 10 by 10 inch canvases that I purchased from Dollar Tree, of course, and also these wooden dowels. Of course, you can just purchase the black canvases, but even if I would have purchased the black canvases, I would have still spray painted them just so they don't look so dull. I'm using the gold metallic spray paint for my wooden dowels, and I will list all items used down below in the description box. Now that my pieces are dry, it's time to decorate, and I'll be using some of these jewels that I purchased from Michael's years back. So I don't know if they're still available or not, but you can simply use some of these jewel border stickers from Dollar Tree. All I'm doing is gluing 1 gem to each side of my wooden stick. Of course, if you want your projects to last over time, then I suggest you use a stronger adhesive. It should look something like this, and I'm just going to repeat the same exact steps for all the other wooden sticks. Look at how good my canvas is looking, y'all. So I'm just going to take a wooden stick and I'm basically just going to glue it anywhere. I honestly did not have a particular pattern. I'm just simply gluing these down anywhere, and I'm very pleased with the results. Just look at these results. I'm loving how this modern home decor turned out. And if you feel the same way, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss my next video.